Hello there, my name's Tracy Elsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in Canada. Welcome to my Papercraft with Me YouTube channel. Today I have a really quick video for you, just showing you what I've been playing with my new Stampin' storage. Now unfortunately this has been really popular and I haven't managed to get all the bits that I needed, but this is a good start and the idea that I had seems to have worked. So from here you can see I've got lots of trays there with my Stampin' blends, and if I lean forward I can spin it. What do you think? So you've got Stampin' blends, I've got my ink pads, I've got my markers. There's some gaps, they're the new colours. And gradually, once the new supplies have come in, I'll buy some more and I will have some additional stuff in there and I'll just stack it all up. And you can see on the top I've got some trays, and for the moment I've got a few ribbons and a bit of embossing stuff. But all in all, I'm really happy with that. That is a carousel. I have created my static Stampin' storage into a rotating system so I can get everything in one place, nice and compact, find what I need and have it all to hand. And my solution was a very simple wooden Lazy Susan that I purchased many years ago in IKEA. I presume they're still available, but that's what I came up with. I'm loving this new system, much easier for me. And to get everything in one place like that is a real boon. So you might have something similar or pop into IKEA and find one. But in the meantime, I'll leave you with that and I'll show you how this particular system develops and grows once the new stuff arrives. So in the meantime, thank you very much for watching and I hope to speak to you again soon. Bye.